This is the perfect place to start your streaming career. It's a new streaming app called Dlive. Not that many people on it. So if you're streaming on YouTube or Twitch, this is much easier to stream. There's only 35,000 streamers. YouTube and Twitch, there's millions to fight against. You get instant 30 plus views if you use Dlive. So the first thing you want to do in order to start live streaming for Dlive is you gotta sign up. You can either log in your Facebook, YouTube, Twitch, or you can put in an email. I'm going to use my Twitch because that's where I'm coming from and it's going to be an easy process. And as you can see, I am already logged in, just as easy like that. You can see over here, PewDiePie is live. This is an easy way to get lots of followers. You just have to type in follow in the chat and you go on your stream and look how many people already followed me. Like I just had it for like a couple minutes and like I already have like almost 20 followers. That easy, just doing follow for follow. Okay, so in order to start live streaming, first you have to put in your title. I recommend just saying I just started. Put some emojis in it if you can. Put your language you speak. So you put in a bad word filter. See these bad words over here? You put them in there so no one can talk in chat about it. Oh, you also have to put in a thumbnail, and you have to put in a thumbnail, and don't forget to press save. Okay. After that, I'm using Streamlabs OBS. So if you want to connect Streamlabs OBS, you have to follow what it says here. You have to change your keyframe interval by 2. I'll show you how to do that. Okay, you have to go to top right, go to settings, and over here at output, you're gonna see something. You're gonna scroll down a little bit, and you need to change your keyframe interval to 2. See, I didn't change it because I'm just recording, but for when you're live, you change that keyframe interval for 2 seconds. After that's done, so you copy and paste these URLs into Streamlabs. You go to settings, you go to stream, and if you want to stream on Streamlabs, you have to put a custom streaming server. So basically, you have to copy your URL and stream key that you just generated over here. And after that, you should be done. And best of luck to grow on Dlive. Surely you have better success on streaming than Twitch on YouTube because it's a lot newer. And yeah, thank you.